thank you for joining us for Label Discoveries, where we take you inside the Domino booth here at Labelexpo Americas. We're showcasing the latest digital printing technologies available to the industry, and we're joined by Mike Barry, National Sales Manager at Domino. Mike, thanks so much for joining us today.
Yeah, thanks Greg for stopping by.
Absolutely. So Mike, what is Domino showcasing this year at the booth?
We've got a lot of exciting innovations in this beautiful booth here, and have had a chance to really share with the industry over the last couple days. First, obviously, right behind me here is our N730i platform, which we debuted actually at the last Labelexpo, and have brought it back with some new improvements and additions to that portfolio. The N730i is our 1200 DPI platform with using Brother Bitstar print heads, and it's really phenomenal quality. The feedback that we've been getting off of this is that it's one of the highest quality presses in the industry, running everything at full production speeds. We are showing it here with an inline priming station and a coating station, and we're demonstrating a matte varnish here at the show, and also a new vision system from Domino's sister company Lake Image, integrating Domino Vision into the equipment now as well. And probably the most exciting innovation that we're talking about and debuting here at Labelexpo 2024 regarding our N730i platform is our integration module, which allows us to work with our OEM partners to put this engine into hybrid presses. Additionally, we of course have our N610i off that way, our tried and true workhorse of the industry, 600 DPI machine. We've got almost 400 of those out into production in the industry running. Really been a great press. Still phenomenal quality off of that machine. And it's really just, as I mentioned, a workhorse, reliable print engine. This year, we've created a new version of that product that we call the N610i-R. So of course had the roll-to-roll before. We have our integration module. We've worked with all of our assorted OEM partners. But this R, which is a retrofit module, allows us to take a CMYK white version of that print engine in a compact format and add that to existing flexo presses in the field. So now we can create a hybrid press out of an existing press, and converters can put some new life in an underutilized asset or add digital printing without increasing space. And we're very excited for that platform. And actually our partner Mark Andy is showing it on their booth on a 2200, of course under their brand, the DSIQ-R. So that's been a really exciting innovation in our color press world here at Labelexpo 2024. The last thing related to the color press is we've developed a new DFE we call Sunrise, and that has some serious improvements when it comes to usability, variable data processing, and variable data has been a key theme of the show here, and we wanted to add those tools into our color press platforms to be able to do that faster. So that leads me into the last bit of kit that we brought to the show, which is our K series platform, which is of course our monochrome digital print platform for doing high-speed variable data in line with flexo and other converting assets. Being able to print flexo and add that variable data element at speeds up to nearly 500 feet per minute. And that, of course, we've been doing for a long time with our K600 product, which we're showing our dual bar here as well. And we also this year are launching a new version of that product called the K300, which is a more versatile 2-inch print bar that we can move around, and if you only need to do a limited amount of variable data and don't need a full width web, we can now achieve that with that solution there. That's all being run on a Mark Andy Pro Series press that they let us borrow for the show here, thankfully. And we're running a 2-color flexo job in line with that K300 to kind of show how you would use that in the traditional world. The last thing that we're talking about related to that product is a initiative called Sunrise 2027 by GS1, and that's really their initiative to replace the UPC barcode with QR codes. and that will eventually go variable as well. So that equipment, along with digital press equipment, is going to be really crucial to the evolution of our industry in the next several years. So that's all the latest and greatest that we've brought to the show here. We've had a great couple days of people coming through. Looking forward to the last day here of Labelexpo to continue to show off our innovation.
That's all great information, and obviously you mentioned some themes from the show, and you also mentioned hybrid printing.
Yeah.
Hybrid printing is obviously a huge theme, and Domino is expertly suited to do that. What are the advantages of hybrid printing, and also for Domino working with so many different suppliers, and how does that ultimately benefit your customers?
Yeah, great question. I mean, we're big proponents of hybrid printing. We've been doing hybrid printing for a long time, of course, starting with our N610i integration module. Hybrid printing really just opens the door up for what converters can do with digital printing and increasing the efficiencies. Of course, being able to die cut in line, do embellishment in line, combination of flexo and digital print together. And it's really helped converters push that crossover point between flexo and digital by having hybrid solutions. So we wanted to expand that, of course, beyond our N610i integration module, this year, as I mentioned, to the N730i integration module to enable that high-speed 1200 DPI, really high-quality printing in line with hybrid machines. And then, of course, the N610iR, having a kind of a different way to create hybrid by doing the retrofit. And we believe that it's the converter's choice on what's that best hybrid platform for them. Of course, we work with many great partners in the industry, some strategic partners that really represent the product well for Domino. But ultimately, it's the converter's choice. So we've created an open architecture platform for our hybrid pieces of equipment, so that you can choose that right thing to fit your business needs. And I think this is just going to continue to evolve and grow over time. Hybrid printing is certainly becoming a larger portion of our business year over year, and I'm excited to see what other innovations on the converting side continue to come up that help push the digital technology even further.
Yeah, we're looking forward to seeing what other trends we're seeing. One final theme that I wanted to mention for your booth, the Domino difference.
Yes.
How would you explain the Domino difference to our viewers?
Yeah, the Domino difference is really our just way of saying who we are beyond the technology. So the Domino difference is the people here at the show, is our service, which is the best in the industry at supporting our customers. It's our trusted brand. It's our R&D and our way that we can help customers solve problems and offer all the various choices to help them with their business there. We believe in a consultative sales approach, working with you to understand your business and create an ROI for the equipment we're selling you, and making sure that we're providing the right solution for your business. So to us, that's what the Domino difference means.
That's great, and thank you for sharing all that information with us today, Mike.
Yeah.
If you'd like to learn more about Domino and the different digital products that they offer, head on over to their website. Thank you.
Thanks, Greg.